you, and we have some surprises for you as well. So we are just going to take 5 minutes of your time before we wind up. So can I go ahead? Yeah? Okay, so first to start with, are you all from Vasco? Anyone who is not from Vasco? Wow. Where are you coming from?
Mumbai.
And how did you hear about the show? From Book My Show. Okay. So what is it that you've come for a holiday, or what is it?
Yeah, holiday.
Come for a holiday. And anyone else who's not from here? Not from Vasco? Where are you from, beta? Sorry? Wow, and you've come here on a holiday? Okay. So is it the first time you're watching such an early morning show? Yeah? How was the experience? Did you like it? Good? Okay. How's the movie overall? How do you find the movie? Good? It's really good, right? It's getting fantastic reviews, and I think coming this early in the morning and watching it is also a fantastic thing, isn't it? Yeah, I can see all the dazzle in all your eyes. Okay, so we have some surprises for you actually, and since we felt that it's such an effort for you people to come here at this time of the morning, so the 1930 Vasco team has got something exciting for you, and there are some lucky prizes that are going on. So there are a few things that I'm just going to do before we give it out. So are you ready? Yes? I know you're half sleepy as well, I think slightly. Did you guys have something to eat during the intermission? Yeah? Okay. So we are going to have the lucky dip. Okay, so I'm going to call one of you from the audience. We have 3 prizes going out, and these are special prizes that are going to be given by Disney. So I'm sure it's going to be something exciting. It's a surprise to us as well. So we are going to have this, and then at a later date you will get your gift. So we're going to be giving you a little coupon which you'll have to come back and avail of that gift. Okay. So who's the youngest here?
Ziyad.
The youngest? Ziyad. Ziyad, come. Take out one chip. एक ही निकालो. Okay, who's sitting on E5? Who's on E5?
E5.
Who's that? You. Wow. Okay. What's your name? Come. What's your name?
Ziyad.
What's your name? Mozambique. Where are you from? Come this side.
Mumbai.
Mumbai. Which part of Mumbai?
Mira Road.
Wow. And you're here for a holiday?
Yes.
Huh? How many days are you going to be in Goa?
8 days.
So this is your lucky gift. So are you going to be there to here? Are you going to be there to take your gift to your?
My brothers are here.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to call this lovely lady who's going to give birth to a little baby very soon. She's in a pretty pink outfit. Would you mind coming down, or should I come up?
Yeah, please come halfway.
In the E row, which is E2. It's all E's, okay. Who's that? Yeah. What's your good name? Samrud. And where are you from?
Vasco.
Vasco. Can we have a big clap for him, please? Congratulations. Third one. Okay, let me see now. The UK boy, can we have you? Come. What's your name? Yeah. Make sure you don't remove the E row again, okay? Okay, the one sitting on B6. Come. What's your name? Ifra. You're from? Congratulations, and there you are. Can we have a big clap for her, please? Great. So I would want just 2-3 of you, whoever is comfortable speaking. We're just making a short bite where we just want to know about the experience of.
The overall experience was really good. The staff was helpful in providing service. There were a lot of people, but we got our food in time. The movie was amazing. I actually cried during it. Doctor Strange is my favorite, but I would like to salute to Robert Downey Jr. Thank you.
My thing would be the same. I really like the Black Panther and I was really happy when he returned from the ashes, and I really respect Iron Man now.
I would like to say about Captain America, about this fight scene, picking up Thor's hammer. That was really amazing, like something new from Marvel. So that was my experience to share about it.
And recall comfortable thing, and the movie was amazing. All the characters did a good job, and
it was worth coming here. This is a good place to come to.
yes, it's all comfortable.
Yep.
Thank you.
And